Embarking on the journey of starting a business can be both exhilarating and daunting, especially for beginners. The allure of entrepreneurship lies in the promise of independence, creativity, and the potential to make a meaningful impact on the world. However, the path to business ownership is fraught with challenges and uncertainties, requiring careful planning, resilience, and perseverance. Fortunately, with the right guidance and mindset, anyone can navigate through the complexities of starting a business and turn their entrepreneurial dreams into reality. This beginner's guide aims to provide comprehensive insights and practical steps to help aspiring entrepreneurs lay the groundwork for their business ventures, from ideation to execution. A beginner's guide to starting a business. 1. Identify your passion and purpose. At the heart of every successful business is a passionate entrepreneur driven by a clear purpose. Take the time to reflect on your interests, skills, and values. What ignites your enthusiasm? What problem do you want to solve? Your business idea should align with your passions and address a genuine need in the market. By identifying your unique strengths and motivations, you can lay a solid foundation for your entrepreneurial journey. 2. Conduct market research. Once you have identified your business idea, it's essential to validate its viability in the market. Conduct thorough market research to gain insights into your target audience, competitors, and industry trends. What are the pain points of your potential customers? What solutions are currently available in the market? By understanding the landscape of your industry, you can identify opportunities for innovation and differentiation, setting the stage for a successful launch. 3. Develop a business plan. A well-crafted business plan serves as a roadmap for your entrepreneurial venture, guiding you through every stage of development. Outline your business objectives, target market, products or services, marketing strategy, operational plan, and financial projections in detail. Your business plan not only helps you clarify your vision, but also serves as a valuable tool for attracting investors, securing loans, and making informed decisions as your business grows. 4. Choose a business structure. Selecting the right legal structure for your business is a crucial decision that can have long-term implications for your operations, taxation, and liability. Common options include sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, and limited liability company, LLC. Consider factors such as personal liability protection, tax implications, administrative requirements, and scalability when choosing the most suitable structure for your business. 5. Register your business. Before you can officially start operating your business, you need to register it with the appropriate authorities. This typically involves registering your business name and obtaining any necessary licenses or permits to operate legally in your jurisdiction. The specific requirements may vary depending on your location, industry, and business structure. It's essential to research and comply with all regulatory obligations to avoid potential legal issues down the road. 6. Set up your finances. Managing your finances effectively is crucial for the success of your business. Open a separate business bank account to keep your personal and business finances distinct. Establish robust accounting systems to track income, expenses, and taxes accurately. Consider seeking professional advice from an accountant or financial advisor to ensure compliance with tax laws and optimize your financial management practices. If you require funding to launch or grow your business, explore various options such as small business loans, crowdfunding, angel investors, or venture capital. 7. Build your brand. Your brand is more than just a logo or a catchy slogan. It's the essence of your business and the promise you make to your customers. Invest time and effort in developing a strong brand identity that reflects your values, resonates with your target audience, and sets you apart from competitors. Create a compelling brand story, design a memorable logo, and craft consistent messaging across all marketing channels. Whether online or offline, your brand should leave a lasting impression on customers and inspire trust and loyalty. 8. Launch your business. With everything in place, it's time to launch your business and introduce your products or services to the world. Consider hosting a launch event or leveraging digital marketing channels to generate buzz and attract your first customers. Be prepared to iterate and refine your strategies based on feedback and market dynamics. Stay agile and adaptable, seizing opportunities and learning from setbacks along the way. Remember that entrepreneurship is a journey, and success often requires persistence, resilience, and a willingness to embrace change. Conclusion. Starting a business is a transformative journey that offers both challenges and rewards to aspiring entrepreneurs. While the road ahead may be daunting, with the right mindset, preparation, and perseverance, you can overcome obstacles and build a thriving enterprise. By following the steps outlined in this guide and staying true to your passion and purpose, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Remember that every setback is an opportunity to learn and grow, and every milestone is a testament to your dedication and resilience. As you embark on this exciting adventure, believe in yourself, trust in your vision, and embrace the limitless possibilities that entrepreneurship has to offer. That concludes the video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video interesting, please like and subscribe to stay updated on future content.